Guess what is in this box? Go ahead, guess. You don't need to guess. You read it. That's right. I do have a T-Mobile Home. We have actually two of them in the RV. I have one and Steph has one. We really don't need two internet things. But she got her T-Mobile Home first. I got my T-Mobile Home so I could carry it out here in the truck with me when I was over the road. And I still have it. It works great. I love T-Mobile Home. I actually had Starlink too, but because I didn't want to support a certain crazy person anymore, I actually gave it away for free to one of my friends because he does love that crazy guy. And I said, I don't want to support him. And also the bill for Starlink was way too expensive. Used to be cheap, but not anymore. It definitely went up in price. So I got the T-Mobile Home to carry with me out here on the road, and it's worked great. But now that I'm a local driver, we have both of our T-Mobile Homes in the RV. I've been thinking about getting rid of T-Mobile Home and trying Verizon. I don't know if I want Verizon because T-Mobile Homes are working so good, but back in the day, I went to Oahu, Hawaii, and I purchased a set of Ray-Ban sunglasses, the MetaWear ones. You know, the computer glasses with a camera there and a camera there. And then I took the lenses out. I went to the eye doctor and I got some, I had them put a prescription in also with the, they changed to sunglasses if it's sunny out. I forget what that's called. But I've had these for at least over 2 years now. And they've been great. But now there's a brand new pair out. And you get them for free if you grab one of these Verizon units. Sold. Not only is this $5 a month cheaper than T-Mobile, my T-Mobile is $50 a month for unlimited high-speed internet. And it's a flat $50. That's with taxes, everything. It's a flat $50. I was told by the representative on the telephone from Verizon that this is $45 a month flat fee. So I'm actually saving $5 on my internet. Doesn't sound like much, but over a year it adds up. It adds up to maybe a McDonald's meal. This is just going to be a quick little unboxing of the unit. I have not opened it up yet. So I just peeled the tape and stuff up here and got it ready to unbox. And then in a future video, I am going to put it up against T-Mobile Home Service to see which one's faster in certain areas, see if one works in certain areas where the other one may not work, possibly like where I'm standing now in the middle of the jungle. T-Mobile works okay there, not great. Never had awesome Verizon service down there. But it's just behind Disney's Animal Kingdom, and it's kind of in a gully, and the internet just doesn't work great. Anyway, so let's do a quick unboxing of T-Mobile Home and see if I can tell any differences. From Verizon, let's see if I can tell any difference between Verizon and the T-Mobile. Okay, one big difference right off the bat. It is a lot shorter unit. Yeah, it's shorter. My T-Mobile probably stands about that much higher. About the same size square, though, I'm guessing. One power button on the front, no digital display like on the T-Mobile. T-Mobile has a digital display. Let you know if you're connected, let you know what your internet speeds are. This one here has no digital display, which I like my digital displays. It's kind of depressing this does not have it. Set that there. See what else is in this box. So we got setup instructions, which probably not going to need. And then here I'm assuming is all my cables. I would be correct. My charging cable, or not the charging cable, but the wall outlet, at least part of it. And if you're going to hook your computer up to it, which I like to do periodically when I live stream, even though I haven't live streamed in months and months and months, or for video gaming, if I'm on Steam or something and I need that faster, perfect connection, I have that. And anything else? Anything else in there? Doesn't look like it. The box is empty. Anything else in here? Do I get Apple gives you you Apple stickers. Does Verizon give you a sticker? Doesn't look like it. Oh, there is another, no, not another box. It's just a lot of cardboard for no reason. But there it is. That's it. Onto the floor with you. Yeah, so that's the unit. It comes with a power supply, LAN cable, I guess that's what this is called, possibly, and the unit itself. Very basic, very clean. So I am in Tampa right now. I can't actually set this up. Supposedly, it's like T-Mobile, where you have to set it up in the area that it was assigned to, which for me is Sumter County, Florida, Wildwood area. Once you set it up in your home area, then you could drag it with you anywhere in the country. That's how T-Mobile was. I got it and I fibbed because it wasn't available in our area. So I had my friend Jen Vargas in Orlando order it to her house because they were available, and went to her house. I created my account and did everything in Orlando, and then I was able to take it to Iowa, Minnesota, everywhere, and it just worked perfect. And it's still working great. But my big thing that I want is the updated glasses. Those Ray-Bans are like $299. This here is no contract, $45 a month, unlimited high-speed internet. And then after like 60 days or something like that, you get a code to order the Ray-Ban glasses. And as long as you keep this service for 6 months, those glasses are free. I'm definitely going to keep the internet for 6 months. I live off the internet. I need it. And plus, I could turn in my T-Mobile and save $5 a month. So that's going to be great. Anyway, until the next time, thanks for tuning in. I am going to pit these two together, the T-Mobile and the Verizon, and see which is better. So far, the Verizon box itself, the case, is better. That's all I know. Just because it does have a display that gives you information. I'm assuming this here probably has a phone application where you can check all that stuff. But I won't know until I do the setup process. Until the next time, thanks for tuning in. This has been a quick unboxing of the Verizon Home Mini. I think it's called that. It's Verizon Home. I'm just throwing the word mini in there for fun. Peace, everybody.